people in series so we can't just talk about how important
it was very important, you know. Obviously we've been struggling a little bit, but it's early in the season. What are we, I don't even know, a quarter way through maybe, but no, it's good to win series. And I don't care in division, out of division, what league it is, we need to just win games, you know, and that's what we're trying to do right now.
Jim's talking about, you guys go to Cleveland and really, you know, they're in first place in your division, obviously, but, you know, it doesn't really matter who you guys play. You know, Minnesota comes in and wins 2 Seattle with you guys, his word. Then play the Yankees. All these teams, it doesn't matter who you play. I guess when you guys turn it out, you'll be just fine.
Yeah, you know, I mean, it's the big leagues for a reason, because every team's good. Any team can beat you on any day, you know, and we faced some pretty good pitching so far, and we're going to keep facing good pitching, and we just have to make a few little adjustments here and there and not put too much pressure on ourselves and have some fun and play ball.
The baseball season is such a long grind. You tune it up a little bit when you play a first place or a division team.
I don't know if you can say tune it up, but we're just going to go out there and face them like every other opponent we've been facing. I mean, it's not like when we roll into a certain city, we take it for granted at all, you know. You got to come out and be ready to play every single day and be able to beat whoever you're playing that day.
Talk about the effort you guys got out of Max today.
It was unbelievable. He came, what, 15 or something like that? I mean, he had his stuff. He was on today, and he showed it, and did a really good job, and that was big for us, you know. Burr almost tossed him no-no, and then Max coming out and doing that, and it's big for this team right now.
Great, thanks.